Hello, 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 hey everyone. It's Marshelle again. It is day 4. So today we're going to be clearing your bathroom counter. I'm decluttering to make room for joy, purpose in the next chapter of my life, and I want you to come with us. And we will clear our space. We will clear our minds. And if you're craving a fresh start, join us in this challenge. It's going to be fun. So, there are 5 decluttering decision questions you can ask yourself to know what to keep and what has to go. Number 1, do I use it regularly or have I used it in the last 6 to 12 months? Think about that. Number 2, does this item add value or joy to my life? Number 3, do I have duplicates or something else that serves the same purpose? Number 4, would I buy this item again today if I didn't already own it? And number 5, does keeping this item align with the life and purpose that I want to create? Yes, so think about those and ponder those. Take some deep breaths in and go ahead and get started with making that decision when you get ready to declutter. So let me know if you want my 30-day decluttering guide. Just put a comment below and I will send it to you. So we're going to be working on the bathroom countertops because a messy bathroom adds stress to your morning routine, and a clean space boosts your mood and makes you feel happy and ready to take charge of your day, right? Yes. So we're going to be setting a timer for 5 minutes so you can work on that. And the task is going to be to put away items you use daily, toss empty things, wipe down the counter, keep only the essentials out. You have counters underneath of the things that you don't really use. You can just get those out as you need. Basically, just make it look good and nice, fresh and clean, all the things. Okay? So we're going to set the timer for 5 minutes and we're going to get started. Hey, Google, set my timer for 5 minutes.
Got 5 minutes, and that's starting now.
All right, starting now. I'll let you guys see my counter. Definitely needs some organization. I have all my little things out, but we're gonna get that organized. We got 5 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. I have like my little makeup bag I always keep out somewhere because I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I do wear eyeshadow and some mascara from time to time. But I probably have lots of stuff in here that I can trash that I don't need in my little makeup bag. Gonna trash those. Trash that. And that. And that. And just some old makeup. Alright. Just don't forget to spray it down, wipe it down as well as organized. So are you all enjoying the challenge? Have you been decluttering your space? I definitely have. Something I've been wanting to do anyway. So we're doing it together. I usually do my countertops pretty often though. It don't get too bad. Because that's one of the things I like to do every morning. It's not to let it get too bad. Just clean my bathroom counters off. So I definitely do make space and time for that. But sometimes I just get too much stuff. It's a problem. So I don't buy anything else because I got so much stuff I already have not used. So I'll have to get around this computer once I get done. But that is good for now. For wiping things down. me a little washcloth and dry it off. So how are you doing? How are you guys doing? What all is on your bathroom counter? I know you have like your toothbrush, toothpaste, maybe some vitamins, some cleaning supplies, some makeup, moisturizer, cleansers. I even have some veggie capsules because I like to make my own vitamins sometimes. And then I could take these empty capsules and put in there what I want and need. I do that. Right now I'm doing a detox, so I've been making my own detox capsules. So I have it out to remind me. All right. So I like to keep my oils handy right here. So now I get ready to use my diffuser. My oils are right here. But I also have a space up here where I keep some of my products as well. Got me some shelves up top. I just always need lots of space for the bathroom. Is anyone else like that? Have lots of items that I need to have space for. Oh, no! I made a mess. Oh, I wasted some of my cayenne pepper oil. Cayenne pepper. It's really great for pain, helping you lose weight. Cayenne has like pages and pages of benefits. Let me dry my hand off. All right. Okay, Google, stop. All right. That was 5 minutes. As you can see, 5 minutes go by very, 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 very fast. So hopefully you guys had a chance to clear off some things, clean some things, put away some things, organize some things. That is really our goal for this 30-day challenge, is to declutter our space. Think about what we really need, clearing our minds, being at peace with what we have, being satisfied with what we already have. We don't need anything else. We have so much and so much to be thankful for. So I thank you guys for being here today. And if you really enjoyed this, you can set your timer for 5 more minutes and finish decluttering your countertops. I have more than one bathroom. I have another bathroom, but that's my guest bathroom. So it's always exceptionally clean. So I don't have to go do that one. This one is my livable bathroom. So it kind of needs a little tidying up from time to time, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so if you like this, you can watch it again and set your timer for another 5 minutes, or you can share it with your family and friends and you can do it all together. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm not going to tell you what we're working on tomorrow. You're going to be surprised again, but I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.